And what it does is it basically forces it to go through and give us a map as well.
Okay.
And then as well, on top of that, we also have our Arduino, of course. With the Arduino, it's able to basically control the servo motors.
Okay.
So it's able to give power to that, of course. And it's able to function in the sense where it can move around autonomously. So Arvis is the main thing, I would say, for mapping. We also have a gazebo, which is this one here, where it's able to basically, you can erect structures and you're able to create walls within it.
Okay.
And within those structures, you're actually able to map it intrinsically.
So it's like a software tool available in the.
Yeah, I believe it's also in the lab as well.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. So with this, of course, you're able to kind of erect it manually. You're able to create them as you'd like,
Okay.
and you're also able to, after calibrating it, using this here, which is just a display calibration, you're able to go through and have it mapped intrinsically, which is quite cool. Like it's able to kind of go through and sense this, and use the parameters that are actually on the robot itself to go
Okay.
through with mapping.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this design you used Raspberry Pi?
So yeah, the Raspberry Pi is up here.
Okay.
You can see with the little kind of the USBs and whatnot inside there.
Okay.
And this one here is an Arduino.
Arduino.
Yeah. So you're able to power it on and off if need be. And this controls the power that goes to the Raspberry Pi as well as to the servo motors. And then we also have a charger here on the back as well. So you can kind of see this charger here as well.
So where do you get all this stuff from? Like,
So this here is, there's actually like kits online that you can kind of take a look into online and use it.
online? Okay.
Pardon me?
I guess it's very costly.
Yeah, these ones are quite costly, I would say. But we also have a lab with Dr. Shapoor and Dr. Saeed.
Oh.
It's AI Robotics Center. And through that, of course, you're actually able to go through, and they provide this with us, of course. So if you're ever into mechatronics, you can speak with them, especially if you're looking for like a capstone project.
Oh, the professor responsible for your the one help you.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. So he was actually able to provide it for us, of course. But these are also like kits that you can possibly buy online.
Okay.
Like there's an AWS racer as well. Blue Racer is what it's called. There's also going to be like ones like Waffle Bots, Turtle Bots, Burger Bots. There was a bunch of different kind of companies that have that.
And
Yeah.
is this one like do the autonomous thing like
Yes.
analyze and everything?
And I can show you here actually. So if
Okay.
you look on the
Is it
screen
like
here.
SLAM only or
Yeah.
is it also doing pipeline?
A lot of it's mainly SLAM. So the first slide that you saw was in mapping was in SLAM. And then this part here is how it drives autonomously. Oh, you can come here if you like as well, yeah. So you're able to select certain nodes on the pre-base map that you have.
It is planning.
Yes, yeah. So it basically goes through and allows you to select certain nodes. So this, for example, it's pointing this way. So it basically moves to that location.
So it has a like sensor around this area, like it senses around this area. And
So you have the LiDAR sensor working at that time, and then in this case, we've already had this pre-mapped, which was shown in the first slide how it was mapped.
okay.
And it basically goes through